could tell Nana we had oatmeal and waffles for breakfast. Waffles. And juice. Juice out of a bottle because Mommy broke your sippy cup again. They're not very durable. Yeah. Can you say Nana? Here. Have some more oatmeal? That's yummy oatmeal, huh? Say bye-bye, Nana. Wave bye-bye. Can you wave bye-bye? Anything? Just swing your leg over to the side and hang out. There's a smile.